Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to turn off the voice assistant on your PS5. So here we are on the PS5, navigate up to the settings, which is the gear icon at the top, and then you're going to see this list of settings. Go ahead and select accessibility. Once you're under accessibility, the one you want to choose here is Screen Reader. Go to the Screen Reader here, and obviously if you're hearing it, the Screen Reader is enabled. You just go over and you deselect or uncheck the Enable Screen Reader option, and then you'll see a bunch of different settings here where if you do want this enabled, you can change the speech speed, voice type, voice volume, and a whole bunch of other things. Also, quickly, I don't show it here in the screen recording, but if you hold down the PS button and your triangle button at the same time, it will basically enable and disable quickly. You can do that, kind of like a quick key from your controller. So if you do want this enabled for a game or for a specific application, you can do so by tapping both of those buttons at the same time. Now, that's it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. If it helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.